Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER Purify for Cutie Air Fryer. This air fryer promises faster cooking, healthier meals, and easy cleanup. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. If you're in the market for an air fryer that combines speed, health benefits, and convenience, the BLACK+DECKER Purify for Cutie Air Fryer might be just what you need. With its sleek design and advanced features, this air fryer aims to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to this product in the description and comments at a promotional price, so to guarantee it, click and add this product to your Amazon cart. This air fryer is a game changer for busy individuals. Thanks to its 1300W power, you can get your meals ready in half the time compared to traditional methods. Whether you're craving a quick snack or a full meal, this air fryer won't keep you waiting. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The BLACK+DECKER Purify air fryer uses innovative cooking technology to reduce fat content by up to 8% compared to traditional deep frying. Say hello to healthier, guilt-free indulgence. Cooking has never been easier. With 9 one-touch presets, you can effortlessly cook a variety of dishes, from crispy French fries to succulent steak. Simply select your desired preset and let the air fryer do the rest. The sleek LED display and touch interface provide intuitive operation and precise cooking control. Adjusting the temperature and time is a breeze, making your cooking experience smooth and hassle-free. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. The non-stick basket ensures that food doesn't stick, and with dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is quick and effortless. This feature alone makes it a must-have in any kitchen. With the ability to cook at temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer ensures your meals are perfectly cooked every time. The high-temperature cooking capability guarantees crispy, golden results that will impress your taste buds. Achieving perfectly cooked meals has never been easier. The built-in timer with auto shutoff prevents overcooking, while the shake reminder ensures even cooking by prompting you to shake the basket during the cooking process. Positive points. Fast cooking, 2x faster cooking time with 1300W power. Healthier meals, up to 8% less fat compared to traditional frying. User-friendly, 9 one-touch presets and premium digital touch controls. Easy cleanup, non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe parts. Consistent results, high-temperature cooking up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a timer and shake reminder. Negative points. Capacity. The 4-quart size is great for smaller meals but may not be sufficient for larger families. Learning curve. It might take a few tries to get the hang of the presets and controls. So, should you buy the BLACK+DECKER Purify for Cutie Air Fryer? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone looking to cook quick, healthy meals without the hassle. While the capacity might be a bit small for larger families, the speed, convenience, and health benefits make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.